Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about how to decorate with 3D world map wall arts. If you want to make your space look cool and explore the world from your home, you are in the right spot. We have got some neat ideas to show you how 3D world map wall arts can jazz up your space. Let's talk about why 3D maps are awesome. They are cool way to bring the beauty of your plant into your home. Make a big statement with large 3D world map arts. These pieces can be the main attraction in any room. Have fun with geography using interactive 3D maps. Some of them comes with pins, flags or lights to make space you have been or want to explore. Get the natural feel with wooden world maps. They bring a rustic and earthly vibe to your decor. Keep it simple and removable. With 3D map sticker you can stick them on your wall and give your space a worldly look. Make it your own with personalized world map. You can choose color and add your favorite travel memories. Add some old times charms with vintage style world map. They give your modern space a touch of history. Make your room magical with glow in the dark world map. They light up at night, making your space look like a starry sky. Mix geography into your furniture with map inspiring pieces. Think about tables, shelves, or beds spares with a worldly twist. Keep track of time in style with 3D maps, wall clocks. They are not just practical but also give your place global touch. So there you have it. Decorate with 3D world map wall art. With these ideas, you can turn your place into a world of adventure without leaving your room. If you liked these ideas, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more decor tips.